In this video, I'll show you how to add authentication in V0. First, open your web browser, go to the V0 website, and sign into your account. Then open the project where you want to add user authentication. Next, decide which authentication provider you want to use. Many V0 projects use services like Author.js, Clerk, or Supabase authentication with a Next.js application. Make sure your authentication provider is set up before continuing. Now, ask V0 to add authentication to your project. For example, you can ask it to create a sign-up page, a sign-in page, password reset functionality, and protected routes. V0 will generate the required components and authentication logic for your application. After that, export the project if needed and open it in your preferred code editor. Add your authentication provider's API keys and other required environment variables, then install any required dependencies. Test the authentication flow by creating a new account, signing in, signing out, and verifying that protected pages are only accessible to authenticated users. Finally, once everything is working correctly, deploy your updated application and perform one final test on the live version to confirm that authentication is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add authentication in V0. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.